I'm Caleb, I'm 27 this year. I'm an occupational therapist at one of the hospitals in Singapore. What motivated me, I think, was so that I can work for fun and not just work for the money. I think just having more time to spend with my family. I think VIP for Cayden wise, I think he's a very genuine person, very down to earth. I think the values that he enforced during the masterclass or he teach us is never lose money. So I think it's important not to be so greedy, especially in terms of investing. And I think it sat well with me. Yeah, and as a reminder, even as we start along this whole journey, I think it's important to be contented with what we have and then invest along the way. Yeah. My favourite part of the whole lesson is learning more about options because it was a very abstract concept for me before attending this course. So he made it simpler and easy to understand, especially for someone without any financial background. Yeah, I would recommend my friends to attend the master course and then let Cayden do the speaking.